Thanks again for stopping by and checking out our content here at National Gear Repair. We are a comprehensive industrial remanufacturing center, focusing on repair and remanufacturing of Jupiter gearboxes. We work on all brands of gearboxes and pumps. In today's video, we will be checking out a repair we did on a Jupiter gearbox. If you have an old or an obsolete gearbox that you can no longer find inner components for, we can reverse engineer and manufacture all missing inner components, such as all gears and shafts. We manufacture all gearing such as helical, herringbone, split herringbone, double helical, spiral bevel, spur gears, bull gears, and much more. At National Gear Repair, we offer free freight and free quotes nationwide. We also offer 24-hour emergency rush repair to make sure you get your Jupiter gearboxes back into production as soon as possible. All mechanics at National Gear Repair are Timken bearing certified and Falk School certified. All bearings are installed utilizing thermal expansion and physics to shrink the shafts with liquid nitrogen, allowing for an easy installation of a superheated bearing that locks into place. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and remember to share this video. National Gear Repair has your back. Thank you for taking the time out to watch our videos here at National Gear Repair. This will now conclude our rebuild on this large Jupiter box we did at Rexnord. And at National Gear Repair, we did a full rebuild. We disassembled, replaced every bearing and seal, reset the bearing floats to the OEM specs, repaired the main drive shaft seal area. It was leaking excessively. As you can clearly see, it's no longer leaking now. We will continue to run for the next 3 hours to make sure there's no overheating, any abnormality, no leaking, and we will palletize this. All work at National Gear Repair is guaranteed for 24 months from the date of startup, and we offer free freight nationwide. Thank you once again for taking the time out. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.